Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's Sunday, and actually, it's the start of a new week, and it's actually an NFP week. So the market will be focusing on NFP. Speaking with on NFP, we should just go straight to that and check what is going to happen. Let me go straight to that. For those who are new to this channel, please know that you are welcome, and if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button so that you don't really miss future updates, which I do actually every day. If you are already a member here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I really appreciate you, right? I hope everyone is gonna have some very great year, the whole year of winning streak. Yes, the whole year of winning streak, guys. Not saying that you're not gonna take some losses, but as long as you're gonna have some winning streak, it's much better than nothing. So Monday, tomorrow, we don't really have anything. It's fine. We'll be resting. We'll be trying to catch up, trying to do the analysis. Tuesday, interest rates from Australia. Yeah, it's early, 5:30. We can wake up and just scalp this. Around 5, we have PMI, USD. Oh, later on Tuesday. Yeah, this might actually move. Especially gold. So on Wednesday we have GDP from Australia, ADP, non-farm unemployment change. I see Bank of Canada interest rate. So this week we have some very nice stuff going on, because this is also an aggressive economic news. Thursday, as always, we have unemployment claims or jobless claims. Friday is the day that we'll be waiting for, but don't just wait for only Friday, because the market will be moving from Monday to Tuesday. So mostly NFP, it's way too, like, it's over. I can say it's over what, I forgot the term, but it's overhyped. Like, it moves nice. Mostly NFP doesn't really move in a good way. Mostly the market will end up consolidating, because mostly we are going to have like 3 economic news at the same time. It's unemployment rate, non-farm payroll change. These are the one number that we'll be looking at, but also unemployment rate also it's supposed to go lower for the market to go like seriously nice up, or maybe go the opposite direction. But if it's on the same level, mostly the market won't be moving that much. Average or hourly earnings, not really that important, but also that counts. So if you get negative, positive, negative, that makes the market not to know which direction to take, right? So yeah, I think NFP is overhyped, but the market will be reacting to that starting from tomorrow. Everyone will be pricing their stocks, their investment according to whatever they believe in, and on Friday, so that they can be on the right side on Friday. This is the last week. I mean, the first or the last NFP. Yeah, it's the last NFP this year. We're gonna get another one next year, right? So yeah, let's relax, guys. Relax. You are welcome. So for those who want to be part of the team, we still continue with our special, guys. The special, for those who don't really understand, is quite straightforward. We're saying that these are the normal prices that we have. So we're gonna use this until 31 December. So it means January we're gonna go back to some normal prices. These are the normal prices. So you give yourself discount, which means if you want to join 6 months, you can say, Kenzo, I want to join, but I don't really have $150. I have this much. 12 months, you can say, Kenzo, I don't really have $250. I have this much. Can I join? Lifetime, you can say, I don't really have exactly 350. I also have this much. Simple as that. Also, mentorship is the same thing. So you can scan this QR code or use the number, or on the description, you will find my WhatsApp link. Then you can use that. Simple as that. So let's work. Let's see what's really happening on the market. So let's go straight to DXY. I'm using a daily time frame. What's really happening? It's quite straightforward. The market is going down. We are on a downtrend, but it's seriously aggressive. This market is seriously aggressive, or DXY. The dollar, it shows the way the dollar is losing the momentum. So yeah, and this might continue going further because there is rumors that maybe there is a chance that they might not increase, sorry, they might cut the rates next year. And that it's not a good thing for the dollar. It's not really bad, but once the investors know that they're not going to increase the rates, so the dollar is going to lose momentum because the rates, they will be going lower. So it's not really important, or yeah, it's not really important to hold the dollar if the interests are going lower, especially for those who are trading treasury yields, who are buying bonds, government bonds. So if interest rates are going down, even those treasury yields, they're going to go a little bit lower. So the best thing is to do what? Is to just buy stocks, the likes of US30, Nasdaq, and the other ones. I hope you get the point. I'm trying to teach you something. It's not only about the analysis. We just say, hey, the market is going to go up. We also have to go deep on that so that you understand, right? So yeah, DXY, it's still on a downtrend. I'm expecting, I think the market might already, it's reversing where it is, so I'm still expecting the market to do what? To continue selling, and that gives us a chance to buy other pairs. So let's go on 4 hours time frame so that you can see a bigger picture. You can see what's really happening. The market is just giving us the lower high, lower low, lower high, but at the end of the day, we're going to have a nice resistant line like that going down like that. But it's still a bit earlier, not really early, because the market actually created some crazy structures there, but when we connect, we can easily see that still we don't really have a proper resistance, but obviously we're gonna have that in coming days or coming week. So now we are on GBP, GBP, JPY. What's really happening? So we saw some nice reversals the time the dollar was going up, which means it was gaining some momentum a little bit. You can see here we had this nice reversal. Remember, GBP JPY also correlates with the dollar. It also correlates the same way as GBP USD, for those who don't know, right? So what's really happening is, yeah, now I can confirm that you see this area. This area is now a proper support for us. We've been waiting to get this support, so we can easily see that the market might continue creating something like that. So the bigger picture is we are on an uptrend, so we're expecting to do what? To continue buying. We don't really have to confuse everyone and throw so many lines, stuff like that. No. So where we are now, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push even higher, because we are on a support area. You can see here the market touched that level several times, so we are still on that bullish momentum. So we are expecting to do what? To buy, unless if the market breaks this area, then we can say now maybe the market is about to do what? To give us those downtrend, but I suspect that the market will end up pushing to the upside. The market has been pushing lower for quite some time. So let's push to the next one, which is USD, GBP, USD. What's really happening? I don't know if we did take this. Did we take GBP, USD? Let me check if we had any signals. I no longer remember. But if we did, yeah, that moved very nice. GBP. Oh, we had that on Thursday. Okay, that's fine. So, but what's really happening? We have a very nice bullish momentum. You can see previously we had a very nice downtrend. Now the market is pushing to the upside, which is something that we are waiting for. The market did give us some nice reversal here. Then I can see the market pushed up. So I don't know if maybe people who took GBP on Thursday, they were still holding, but I doubt. But yes, at least this is what I'm trying to say is, if we are on an uptrend, one way or another, the market might still go against you. But at the end of the day, the market, it's easier for the market to come back in your favor. So if you trade with trends, it's easy. The best thing, just don't just place your order, your stop loss very closer. I'm not saying over risk, but don't just place it closer, because you can lose on this sell, and then a few minutes later, the market is in the same direction that you were in, but the problem is you're lost. That's the thing, right? So we are still on this uptrend. When we try to draw this support area, to me, it doesn't really make sense. We can say, let's wait. We can just put it like that. We are still waiting for the market to give us a proper reversal, so that the market can create a nice structure, a very straightforward uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now the market is still aggressively pushing to the upside, which is not really bad, but I can easily see that yes, the market, it is still we still need a nice reversal before we continue pushing to the upside, so that we can have a proper support area. So the whatever that we have there, or if we draw something like that, I think it's way too steep, so it's gonna be way too easier for the market to break that, you see. So we can just stay out of that, because if we do that, we just invite some serious disappointments, because once we have that reversal, if we have a proper reversal like this area, it's going to be not much better. So let's wait and see, because the dollar is losing some momentum, and that makes other pairs to go crazy. It makes other pairs to just fly to the upside. So what's really happening? I like the structure here. I seriously like the structure on Euro USD. I've been talking to my students about this area, that the market has to give us a proper reversal, and that happened. So what's really happening is, previously we had a nice downtrend. I already cleared the structure there. Obviously you saw that, because I've been doing this analysis for quite some time, let's say for almost every day. So what we have here is, now we can see that the market will be continuing like that. So I'm expecting the market to actually fly from this area and push the upside. And the market already started. You can see here the market reversed aggressively. So I'm expecting the market to push up. Here is going to be maybe our next resistance. If the market reaches that area, yes, it's fine. It's going to be our resistant. I don't know if we did take that Euro USD. Oh, I also see Euro USD, but I think it was on Thursday also. So GBP USD, Euro USD, and USD CAT. Oh, USD CAT we were selling, so they were all. I think they were, at the end of the day, they were all in our favor. But Euro USD is the one that was pushing a little bit lower. But now I'm expecting it to push even higher. The structure now, it starts to make sense. This is the reversal that I'm talking about, especially on GBP USD. So I like the structure. I'm expecting the market to continue on this bullish momentum. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. The channel grows very nice. Whoa. The channel grows very well, guys, with you by smashing the subscribe, by sharing the link. So what's really happening here is, yes, we are on gold. What's really happening? I was still waiting for the market to break out here. Just look what happened. This is crazy. The market is seriously on the bullish momentum. So what's really happening is, since we no longer on that downtrend, the market has been pushing up like aggressively. Like seriously aggressive. So we had a sort of a support there, and the market respected that. The market created that support very nice. We see a nice respect there. So you can see that the market just respected this area, started to fly, and everything was clear. I don't know why did we miss this, but yeah, sometimes we're gonna miss some very simple, straightforward opportunities. Unfortunately, it's just like that. But we're still going to wait for it and see maybe what's really happening. If maybe it reverses, we will take that. On a daily time frame, maybe we will see that we were actually on a very highest area. And I think maybe we just broke the highest area for gold. I think we just broke the highest area for gold. I think so. Yeah, I think so. So you can see here, this is daily time frame. Or should I go on a weekly? Let me just go on a weekly so that you can see it nicely. So let's try to zoom this. Yeah, I think you can see that. So you can see that we have since 2020, July 2020, 2022, 2023, another 2023 highest, another area where the market is doing what? The market is reaching this area. So we should be way too careful, because the market might respect this area. We have like more than 2 years straight. The market has been respecting that. The market has been 3 years actually, not 2. So the market has been respecting this area for quite some time on a weekly analysis. So even on a monthly, it's gonna be quite the same thing. So the question is, will the market break this area? Yeah, it's possible. The market can break that, and we might start to see some new highs. And once it breaks that, it's gonna be very interesting. But this push, it was like seriously aggressive. That it's a serious aggressive push to the upside. So let's go back on our 4 hours time frame, or even if we go on a 4 hours time frame, there's nothing we can do because the market just reached the highest level. So which means we just have to wait and see if maybe we get the breakout or not. So yeah, we will be waiting to see if maybe the market breaks out, because if not, we will see the market trying to reverse and it will be aggressive. So we don't really have to miss this part here. We don't really have to miss that. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. Yeah, US30 has been also flying. Very nice, by the way. It's been also flying. Very nice. So what's really happening, since we're no longer on that downtrend, you can see we had a very nice downtrend going down. Here I was just playing with the market. I think it was weekend already, yesterday, I think. So after we had that breakout, we saw the market pushing to the upside, but the market was just sort of a consolidation moves. So we see that the market was pushing up. We had a buy. Obviously, I don't think everyone did hold up to Friday, but we were still on that bullish momentum. As I was repeating non-stop, that we are on a nice uptrend, but sometimes you don't really have a proper reversals that can help us to go in the market. But if you buy, sometimes reversals can be there and you won't know which area to place your stop loss or to place your take profit. So that's what we see here. The market has been flying very nice, and yeah, we had a buy somewhere back there. I don't think we even we did not really hold our trades up to that point. Plus, we were not going to have a better structure for us to keep buying there. Yes, we know that the market is going up, but we were not going to have proper reasoning to say, why do we take the trade? Because we have to have some structures to say, okay, maybe the market is moving away from the support, that's why we buy. But when it's around here, you won't know, why are we holding? Why are we placing the order? Or you can say, why are you selling? So there have to be a reason to say why I buy, why I sell. As you have the trading plan, you have to have those reasons. And if you don't really have those reasons, at the end of the day, it's going to be fear of missing out. You just want to be in the trades just because you see the market is pushing up. That it's seriously bad. Yeah, that is seriously bad for those who just want to trade unnecessarily. Yes, so you might see that the market is pushing up, but that's what makes people to lose, because you just say, yeah, I see the market is pushing up, but you don't really have something supporting that. You just buy, then 3 minutes later, you lose. Then you're going to blame the broker and say, oh, this broker is doing 1, 2, 3. But sometimes 90% of the time it's you. It's you. You see. So anyways, for those who want to be part of the team, just know that you have a chance just to give yourself some discounts. Talk to me, WhatsApp, scan this QR code, talk to me. I'll be available to respond to your messages. Let me know which one do you want to join. You can discount yourself with amount that you afford. But don't come here and say, Kenzo, I have $10. No, we're working. We are pros, guys. So we're not going to play like that. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? Nasdaq just broke out of that resistance. We see the market is now pushing to the upside. So it created this sort of, it was confusing at first, but now we can see that, oh, it's respecting actually this moment, this area, sorry, this zone. So we're just waiting for the market to do what? To push the upside. But for those who know, US30 and Nasdaq, mostly they go they go mostly in positive direction. Oh, sorry, positively correlated. So which means if the other one is pushing up, also expect the other one to push up. So, but Nasdaq was a bit slower last week. So I'm expecting Nasdaq to do what? To catch up with US30. So for us, we're going to look for buy. Then it might catch up with US30 next week, and that will be great. That will be great because we will see if maybe the market is breaking out. And you saw also on gold, so gold might also push this other pairs to follow. The market works like that most of the time. So anyways, let's push to the next one, which is German. So all these markets, guys, since inflation is going down in the US, every currency pair is just breathing fresh air. It's just breathing oxygen. Yeah. So you can see everything is just pushing to the upside. So what we see here is, yes, the market was going down. You can see we had a very nice downtrend, breakout, unstoppable bullish momentum. You just buy, then the market just pushes to the upside. But sometimes with this type of push, you won't get some proper entry, unless if you just want to risk it all and say, you know what, the market is pushing to the upside, let me just buy. But the best thing is, let's just try to wait for a nice reversal. We're still gonna get these trades. These trends, they can last for a year or two or more than 6 months. Trends last longer, guys. So don't just get confused or maybe think maybe you are missing out. I know there's people who are thinking that, oh, I saw the breakout just as the market was pushing to the upside. I missed. No, you did not really miss. It is still early. Just know that the trend won't just move like that the whole year. No, it's not going to push like that. So just know that the market will be giving us some nice structures. Patience is also everything. Learn to be patient. You are not late, guys. Let me just talk to the people who maybe feel like they're late, they're not making profit, they feel like they're trying their best. Sometimes it's not your time. Sometimes you just need to enjoy the process. The time you start to make it more, you will even miss those days where you just wait for the market, you taking some losses, because that's the real journey. Profits or stuff like that is just the result. So enjoy the process, enjoy working hard, enjoy sleeping late, enjoy those losses, which is not really good, but that is the whole experience. Once you start to make profit non-stop, you start to realize that, nah, man, I trade, I like making money, but the challenge will no longer be that much. And you start to miss those days where you wait for NFPs, you wait for CPIs, you wait for all this economic news just to trade, and the market still move you. Those days are very nice. Those days are very nice. You will feel that you were like so invested, you were so convinced that you're gonna make it. And once you start to make it, what else? What else? You see, I'm telling the truth. Try to be, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Don't even try to make it within a year. Just try to perfect your process, the way you approach the market, the way you, whatever the behavior that you use towards the market, perfect that. If you see the results not perfect, it means the process is not really good. The way you approach the market is not really good. Try to change something there. It's not really the result, it's the foundation of whatever that you're doing. And if you prepare your journey like that, it's gonna be easier when times goes on. Not like you're not going to lose. Guys, we still enjoy losing. You know, when you lose and when you know that you're gonna recover, it's a different story. It is different from someone who loses and never recovers. You see. I hope you understand that. So for those who wants to be part of the team, as I repeated several times, yes, you can still get some discount. And the good thing here is you have the power in your hands just to discount yourself. You can say, Kenzo, I see you it's 150 there, but I have this much. Okay, let's do it. It's 250, but I have maybe 200, or I have 230. I have whatever that amount. But you can try to be what? Be fair, because whatever that I'm going to give you, the service that I'm going to offer you, it's pro. We make sure that everything is perfect. Even if maybe we have few losses here and there, but everything we work out of that. It's not like maybe we're going to say, oh, I have $10. Nah, it's not like we're going to be like that. If you want money, obviously expect to give something out. Simple as that. So don't just expect money to come out of something when you paid $10. No, it doesn't really work like that. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you tomorrow. Then, yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Bye.